Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, the lighting is a lot different, and that is because I have a ring light in front of me. It's so bright that I'm like, it hurts my eyes a little, but like, hey, anything for beauty, you know? I just got through running and I took a shower and then ate some dinner and shaved and all of that, and I decided, hey, why don't I go ahead and try out my new lighting setup that I got today. And I think I'm just gonna go play around with some makeup. So I turned down the brightness a little on the video because I think it was a little too overexposed, but let me know what you guys think in the comments below, whether you think it's too exposed, if it's not lit enough, which I don't think that's going to be a problem, but just let me know in the comment sections below and I will take that into consideration and change it for next video. Okay guys, so I just did my brows off camera and I decided, hey, what the heck, I've done enough makeup tutorials thus far. You can go back to my channel. You want to know how to do, I don't know, eyebrows, go back on my channel. There are videos for that, and there are videos for like my beauty boot camp where I go through all of the essentials of how to apply everything and how to look snatched. There are videos dedicated to eyebrows, to foundation, to everything like that. So if you guys want to see that, I'll link them down in the description below. I think today, honestly, it's just going to be a like get ready with me type of video. Because it's literally 6:40 at night. I've got school tomorrow, so I don't plan on going anywhere after this. Just took a shower and I'm gonna wash it off immediately. So let's just get ready together for the sake of getting ready and getting glam. So how have you guys been? I know I've been pretty well. I watched this documentary on YouTube. It was one of Oprah Winfrey's talk shows, and she had a lot of people on from this show or this project called The Secret, and they talk about manifesting and the universal laws and how they work in your lives and how we can tap into our true potentials by using those 12 universal laws. And they were specifically focusing on the universal law of manifestation, and basically that concept of manifestation is what you focus on in your life, and what you are grateful for in your life will come back to you. So say if you're focusing on all of the negative things that's gone wrong in the day or that's been wrong in your life, then that's going to come back to you. But if you focus on what you're grateful for and all the great things that have happened in your life thus far, then you're going to be prepped. Basically, you're prepping yourself to accept all the blessings that are coming your way. Being grateful has really changed my mindset. As many of you guys can probably attest, you could be having a great day and then one bad thing happen, and then it kind of just overtakes and puts like this gloom over your day. But you have to remind yourself that there are like 15 other things that happened during the day that were so amazing. So I'm glad you guys actually get to see me in this lighting, and I'm so happy that I invested in this ring light. I got it on Amazon for like, I think $60, $70 with a protection plan of 4 years, which was only added $8, which is worth it when you look at, you know, the overall scheme of things. But I'm glad you guys get to see me in this lighting, just because this is really what I look like in real life. My other lighting just washed me out so bad, and it was really hard to make a makeup look good in that lighting. But now, since we have professional lighting, because I'm a pro, as Shangela says, it's easier. And this is what, if you saw me in real life, and this is what I look like. So you're getting an up close and personal, detailed view of me every time you watch my videos. Whether you want it or not, you get it. So I was hanging out with one of my friends last night, Bella, and she and I were talking about just really the general vibe of being in college and the I don't know what you would call it, just everyone having expectations for you, and you kind of living your life hoping that you're pleasing everyone all the time, and you're living up to everyone's expectations, when in reality, the only person that matters is you. Are you happy with what you're doing in your life right now? If not, get up and go. Do what you want to do. We were talking how badly she and I just want to get up and go and move to Brazil, because we both have family there. As you guys know, like, my boyfriend's from Brazil. So like, I've seriously contemplated about doing that multiple times when I've been in big ruts with my music and whatnot. I just think it's very interesting that we oftentimes live our lives in a way that we're not really living it for us, but we're living it for other people. And that's unfortunate because at the end of the day, people honestly really don't care what you do. And even if they did, it doesn't matter, because the only thing that matters is, are you happy? Are you doing something that makes you happy? As long as you're not hurting yourself and others, then there's no reason why you shouldn't be doing what you want to do. As you guys know, I have been wanting a job and needing a job for extra money. So I've been really wanting to be able to get a makeup job, because that's my other passion that I absolutely love. And I feel like I have two passions, and I'm exercising one all the time, which is music, but I only exercise my makeup one when I'm doing videos, and I'd like to further that more. I don't know, I think it'd be a really cool thing for me to do, to get a job outside of school. I've got plenty of time to do that, especially on the weekends and on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so like, why not? Concealer is still wet. I did not set my concealer because I'm trying that thing where you don't set your concealer and you just apply your eyeshadows on top of wet concealer to improve opacity. I just am really excited about this new chapter of my life, and you guys are going to probably maybe think I'm crazy, but like, I do believe in, like, when you see numbers and whatnot on your screen or on your iPhone or on the clock, those particular numbers are definitely something that somebody, like the universe or God, whatever you believe in, is trying to tell you. Lately, I've been seeing tons and tons of the 3555. I know, like, synchronicity and stuff like that is very real. It's very spiritual. If you're not a spiritual person, you can just kind of step back from this, but I don't know, I kind of am. I'm a Cancer, so I'm like very much that person that's just like energies. I just find it interesting because we're so desensitized to disassociate ourselves with the spiritual side of ourselves once we get out of childhood. I don't know, I just find it interesting why that is, especially in American culture. Once you become an adult, you just have to kind of be like, I don't really believe in that stuff anymore, that's child's play. But really, it's actually the opposite. Spirituality is something that nourishes not only the soul, honey, but also the physical body. My dad used to make these things. This is what I made earlier for dinner for LeBaron and I. They're like almost calzones, but instead of using pizza dough, you use biscuit dough or croissant dough. It's so good, and I would suggest you try it. You just lay down croissant dough and then put cooked hamburger meat with pizza sauce and cheese and mushrooms and whatever and pepperonis that you want to put in it, and then put another layer of it on, and then what happens is that it's just like a calzone but with croissant dough, which is so much better than pizza dough. So now that we have that purple blended out, I'm just going to take this rose gold shade here and then just plop it onto my lid. I think golds and purples look so bomb together, and I've never really done a look like this before, so it'll be a nice change of pace. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh my god, I love purple and golds. I think this is my new favorite color combo. Oh, it's so exciting because when you find new color combos, it's just like getting a Christmas present. It's so fun. So now we have the purple and the gold down. It's absolutely beautiful, and I think the main reason why I love these two color combos is just because of the simple fact of how regal it looks. It's so luxurious looking and just screams royalty, like somebody from like a court, like somewhere in Europe going like, off with their heads, or something like that. I don't know, just something really bougie and really like royal. Okay, so I'm craving something sweet. So I'm gonna eat these coconut clusters. If you guys have never had those before, go to Costco. I think that's the only place that sells them, and get them. They come with organic super seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and chia seeds, and they're all held together by some like coconut milk and coconut flakes. That's so good. It's so tropical. Oh my god. I'm just so distracted by this primer by e.l.f. It's so silicone-y. It's like my hands slide now. I'm just like, ugh. I'm not a fan of silicone primers like crazy silicone primers like this, but this is the only thing I have. So I'm going to use this Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation. My mom gave me it because she doesn't use it anymore. I don't know if I'm going to like live for this, but I have it, might as well use it. With matte foundations, what I tend to do is after I get it all onto my face and I get kind of an even coverage, not too full coverage because literally I'm taking this off afterwards. What I do is I will get a spray, some like facial mist spray, and then spray my sponge and then go around on my face and then just kind of add some moisture back into the face. That concealer seems to be meshing with the foundation quite well, so now I'm just gonna go on and set my face with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 10. And then what I like to do is just take a big fluffy brush. I love how this is like turning into a review or a makeup tutorial. Just take a big fluffy brush and dump it into the powder, knock off the excess, and then just kind of lightly powder my face, because I don't like powdering my face really heavily, especially when I already have like a matte foundation on. I am hustling and bustling for you guys, and mainly because I do love doing these types of videos, like, or videos in general. I don't know, I've seen, like, if you look at Angelina Jolie from head on, it's like she has such a hollowed out face that it, not only does she have cheekbones, but they kind of hollow in here, right here. So like I'm trying to like make that illusion happen by contouring a little down here, just a tiny bit, but mainly doing it with putting powder down. Oh wow, that's beautiful. So now what I'm going to do is just to melt all these powders together and spray my face. That happens every time. So I'm going to go in with the Flower Beauty lip gloss, the shade Halo. And I love this applicator. It's very nice, and this gloss is really pretty because it has like purpley blue undertones, which will go perfect with this eye look. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and did that, and I hope that you guys like this kind of like get ready with me. I really just wanted to test out this new lighting and decided what better way to test out the new lighting than just do a get ready with me and see how you guys are doing so far in this new year. And I hope your semesters are going well, and I wish you all the best of luck with any of your endeavors that are coming up, and I can't wait to hear you guys sound off in the comments and tell me what you think of this lighting, what you think of this makeup. Do you love this color combo? Do you not? I would love to hear from you guys, and I will update you guys on my journey in terms of music and also getting a job wherever I may be taken with makeup. So I will see you guys in my next video. Give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you get notifications every time I post a video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.